Hello everybody, welcome. As always, it's me, Mythic. Today, we are going to be doing something really cool. We're going to be opening one of these. Now, one of these is a box. All exciting things open with the start of opening the box that isn't...
One eternity later.
Oh, you get it. This has things in it, and I know you all want to see what it is. But most importantly, before you do any of that, I want you to look down here, and there's a little button that goes like this. Click on that. That means you like the video. And if the little one next to it that says subscribe, if you haven't clicked on that, make sure you click on that as well. It really goes a long way to supporting the channel and the content that I make, and it'd be really appreciated. We're going to roll an intro, and then we're going to get to this. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so for those who are watching on YouTube, we're actually filming this live on the Twitch channel. So if you're not a part of the Twitch channel, if you're not following over there, literally just go to twitch.tv/Mythic channel, and you'll find us over there. We're live Tuesdays and Thursdays from 4 PM, sometimes a little bit later, sometimes a little bit sooner, sometimes on other days, but generally Tuesdays and Thursdays. You can come and chill us and check us out. So we're going to be opening this. I'm not going to tell you what it is, apart from it's really exciting. It's come all the way from Italy. I didn't actually know these were a thing until I started doing my research. And, yeah, we're going to open it. And I know most of you don't know what it is either. So, we're going to get to it. We're going to start by, well, trying not to break what's in here. And also trying to open it at an angle where I don't cut my anything off. But this, I genuinely haven't looked in here. This is like 2,000,000% sealed as I got it. I haven't peeked. Obviously, I know what's in here, but I haven't checked. So this will be... I haven't seen these before I've bought them. It's not possible to see them before I've bought them. And obviously, in the UK at the moment, we're on lockdown. Not that you can actually buy these anywhere in the UK anyway. So as I've said, these have come. It's a surprise unless you read the title. Well, yeah, there is that. But, however, that doesn't tell you what they are. And what these are very, very cool. So these are brand new. I actually don't know of anyone that's actually seen these yet. I've tried to look for reviews of these online. They don't exist. They're that new. Which is very cool. I'm trying to get in here without wrecking everything. It's open. Okay, put the knife away. And I didn't break anything. You ready? First peek. Ooh, it's a dick in a box. Ready? Hang on. Oh, yeah, it's a bit like that. I've just got chat winding me up. So... there's a few things. We can ditch this. We don't need this. So, first things first, we've got this box that says Ray-Bans on it. Ooh. Then we've got this box, which also says Ray-Bans on it. I don't know what's in what box. Hang on, let me just check. Okay, cool. All right, we're going to do this first. We're going to do this first. But this is very cool. The real Sim Gravy. No, it's not. No, these have literally come directly from Italy. These were legit in Italy the other day. So, in this box, we've got a rather nice little Ray-Bans. This is the full unboxing experience, okay? So, we've got in this little box here, smeared in COVID. Oh yeah. Makes it tasty.
No, I mean, I just took a quick little bite. It's really tasty. Oh, fucking hell.
We've got a nice little Ray-Bans cleaning cloth. Ooh. And then, in this one, we have got proper, genuine leather. Many cows were probably injured in the making of this product. But, hey, they're tasty. Ray-Bans, this is the rugged leather premium pouch, because I thought, well, if I'm going to get these things, and they're quite nice as well, because they're hard wearing, and they've got a little notch, if you can't see, bang backwards. They got a little notch on the inside for the thing, and they smell amazing. So that's a thing. But I know you want to see what's in the main box, and trust me, so do I. A cloth fucking legend. Well, to be honest with you, you'd like to hope you can get a cloth. I would like to point out as well, though, Ray-Bans have actually got 20% off on their store for the whole of February. So that's kind of exciting. Oh, look! I get another free pouch. Winner. So we got a backup pouch, which we get in the first box. Sell out. I'm so excited about this. Oh, we've got we got another cloth, and then the Rayban.com genuine doodad. Oh, wow! I'm kind of excited. So these are Wayfarers. These are new Wayfarer glasses. But, however, so these are the same make of sunglasses that I wear. I've got Wayfarer 2 sunglasses, okay? But, okay, Wayfarer 2 sunglasses, but, however, they've just bought out some new lenses called Everbright. And these Everbright lenses are essentially blue light cancelling lenses. They've got all the benefits of the amazing Ray-Ban's technology. I mean, to be honest with you, it's like anything. Like, if you're going to trust someone that's made proper glasses for years and years and years, you know, trust Ray-Bans. Right, the other mad thing about these as well, these are polarised. These are polarised. Oh, boring. Oh, boring? What boring? I sense a sponsorship deal in some future. That would be too bad. Yeah, so these are also, even though they're blue light cancelling, they're also 100% UV. So you can wear them outside. So if it's just bright outside, these will block 100% of UV. Hang on. Right, I want to get the first spoiler. Oh my god. Those are sick. Wow. There we go. Hey, and what I love about these as well, there's no more any of this yellow light nonsense going on. There's none of this. So the old lens technology was essentially, it was like a little bit out of date. So I want to be the guy that wears sunglasses indoors but be hipster about it. No, to be honest with you, in actual real terms, I genuinely, I really struggle with bright light. It really hurts my eyes. So even if it's bright out, I really struggle with bright light. So the first thing straight away that I love about these from the other ones is I was so used to staring at the computer screen, and basically you see everything and it's always slightly yellow. Whereas these, there's no yellowing at all. Like, it's really nice, because before I was so used to seeing, and actually also when we're on stream as well, you guys can see it as slightly yellow as well. You can literally see that slightly yellow tinge with everything that's going on, and that absolutely sucks, because the last thing you want is that yellow tinge. You just don't want that yellow tinge. I think it looks rubbish on stream. I think it's more off-putting for you guys. So there's the difference between this and then when you look at the MLGs, there's that real yellow tinge. Yeah, so with these, there's just none of that. Slight magnification, slight yellowing. My screens look exactly like they should do. I'm really impressed. Are they prescription? No, they're not prescription, Gravy. But the other good thing about them is, as I get older, I'm sure my eyes are probably going to slowly die off and become naff and broken. So the great thing is now, I do have then a really decent pair of frames that I can have lenses put into, which makes a massive, massive difference. So these are essentially blue light cancelling, 100% UVB blockable. They don't have any sort of magnification on them, which essentially then just makes it really easy to then dial out some of that thing. So looking at my phone now, what's mad is it genuinely doesn't make any difference. But the one thing I do notice straight away is it is blocking out the harshness off of the streamlights. So obviously to get the stream lit really, really nice, we've got the streamlights up here. So I absolutely love them. So to give people a closer look that are watching on the YouTube video, they look... Yeah. Look, too close, I know. But there we go. And they essentially look, there's no tinge to them at all. Even now, see, I can look straight into this key light and it's not screwing my eyes. It's really, really, really mad. I'm like the UV and essentially blocking capabilities. That is mad. But I can see all my screens properly. I love it. So my initial impressions are, do they look nice? Yes. Are they awesome Ray-Ban quality? Yeah, so to give you the look, I can show you the difference so you can look through them. You can see the sort of the taking some of that harshness off. And yeah, wow. There we go. That is amazing. Can we see the cloth again? Can we see the cloth? Which one, Roo? I've got two. We've got the black cloth, and we've got the cloth that, you know, that came with the glasses. How interestingly, what is the better cloth though? The one that comes with the expensive aftermarket case, or the one that comes with the other one? I don't know. This one's a lot lighter. I think I prefer the other cloth. I think I prefer the silver cloth, not unlike the silver fox that came. I think I prefer this cloth. This cloth feels a little bit more classy. Not gonna lie. If you show him both at the same time, things could get messy.
A few inches later.
Love it. So yeah, on the whole, right, so to sum it up, do I like them as much as I like my sunglasses? Now, to be honest with you, one thing I actually will say is I am not, when it comes to sunglasses, the sort of person that's actually ever gone out my way to buy super expensive sunglasses. I've actually always been someone that's worn a brand called Dirty Dogs, which are amazing. They're actually made, the glass is made by the same guys that essentially came up with the glass for Oakley's, but they don't charge a fortune for them. They're really great if you're active and so on and so forth. But probably 4 years ago now, I conceded and got myself a pair of Ray-Bans. I got myself a pair of new Wayfarers, so exactly the same as these, as a pair of sunglasses, and I absolutely love them. I think the polarization on them is amazing, and I kind of went, okay, yeah, they're expensive, but I kind of get it. The build quality is great. You know, even when you look inside, so they've got the dual action arms on the inside, so it's not a single point inside, so they're really sturdy. And I think, I've always said, like, if I need to buy more glasses, I will buy Ray-Bans again. I genuinely will. So I'm not fanboying on an expensive product. I'm not someone... I like buying good stuff, but I will not spend money on stuff just because it's got a label on it. I will buy stuff that's good. So my initial impression of these is, are they fantastic at blocking harsh ultraviolet lights? Well, I'm looking at 2 lots of stream key lights now from Elgato, and there's none of that harshness on my eyes. I'm not finding myself straining. Is there any colour change? No. I genuinely will go as far to say is there is no colour change at all with these lenses in. Yet they are Everbright lenses. Wow. Just wow. Anyway, I'm going to end it up there because this video is probably going to be long enough. If you've got all the way to the end, yeah, make sure you like the video because you've clearly liked it. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. It really goes a massive, massive, massive way to supporting the channel. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments down below. I'll do my very best to ask them as I get used to them and as I get around to use them more. Apart from that, make sure you go and check out one of these videos. Probably some awesome Magic the Gathering content. Apart from that, as always, I've been Mythic. Peace.